You ever try to hold in a sneeze during the quietest moment in class? So I'm sitting there, super focused, or at least pretending to be, because the teacher is mid-lecture, and the entire room is dead silent. Everyone's eyes are on the board, notebooks open, pens scribbling, and then it hits me. That itch in your nose, the kind that makes your brain go, you're about to sneeze and there's nothing you can do. I try everything. Pinch my nose, press my tongue to the roof of my mouth, even try to think about literally anything else. But it's too late. My body starts shaking, my eyes water, and I'm praying to literally anyone that it doesn't come out. And of course, it does. Not just a little one. A full explosive "can hear me from the back of the school" sneeze. Everyone stares. Dead silence. My face goes bright red. The teacher looks at me like I just committed a crime against humanity. I sit down, pretending like nothing happened, but the sneeze has forever marked me in history.